Не, ну прям крутой. Не, ну прям крутой.
Всем привет! Вы на канале Микхазен. На канале Холибама вышло новое видео, которое называется Микхазен. Зачем же ты это сделал? И сегодня мы с вами посмотрим это видео и попытаемся понять в канале и закрасил ее. И сегодня я попытаюсь разобраться, что, собственно говоря, происходит. Почему так? Ну давай, Холибам, давай посмотрим, как ты в этом разобрался. Я надеюсь, у тебя все получится. Что я сделал ему? И почему он решил вот это сделать мне так? А как вы думаете, почему я разрисовал обложку Холибама? Напишите в комментариях прямо сейчас. Идемте к Микхазену на канале. Значит, у него вышло видео, которое называется «Игра про обложку все серии». И сейчас я буду смотреть эти все серии, чтобы понять.
This video is part of a series documenting the Perseverance rover and Ingenuity helicopter every 3 months. On Sol 362, a hitchhiker is spotted inside one of the rover's wheels. This rock likely got caught in the wheel during a cross-slope drive, where the rover moves diagonally across a slope. It poses no threat to the mission and should eventually fall out on its own. The rover is now gearing up for its longest and fastest drive so far. Meanwhile, the Ingenuity helicopter takes to the sky for its 20th flight, scouting ahead for the rover and taking some color pictures of the terrain. The ground beyond the rocks looks relatively safe. On Sol 368, the team orders the rover to focus its camera on its own body to see the level of dust accumulation. These images show what 1 year on the Martian surface can do to a rover. Before departing on the long drive to the Delta front, Perseverance takes a drill sample of a rock named Sid. The team uses an algorithm called ProDapt to control the amount of force and percussion. The algorithm ranges from level 0 to level 20, with the level increasing or decreasing depending upon the progress getting through the rock. Sid required the most force of any rock drilled so far. Perseverance now enters the rapid traverse phase, aiming to quickly reach the Delta for its next science campaign. This map shows the route to the Delta. The rover will go up around Sayata and on to a location named the Three Forks. The rover's advanced self-driving technology allows it to think while driving, processing images on the move and navigating based on those images. After a little driving, the rover takes a quick look at the start of the Delta. A small crater can be seen in the foreground. The main portion of the Delta is located off-screen on the right. Perseverance is now driving faster than any previous rover and has broken records for the distance traveled in 1 day. It's making rapid progress on very smooth terrain and has now covered a total of 4.1 miles or 6.6 kilometers in total, driving about 1 mile per week. As Perseverance nears the Delta, excitement grows here on Earth. If Mars had life in the past, it's very possible that we could see fossilized remains in the layers which make up the Delta. As the rover moves closer, the towering Delta unveils its true scale. Climbing directly up the Delta could spell disaster for Perseverance. The rover makes a brief stop to observe a Martian solar eclipse. The moon seen here is Phobos, the largest of the 2 Martian moons. This video is the highest definition observation of a Martian solar eclipse ever taken. The eclipse itself lasted a little over 40 seconds in real time. Scientists can use these observations to measure subtle shifts in the moon's orbit over time, which can reveal information about the composition of the Martian crust and mantle. On Sol 401, the team at NASA spots something in one of the images sent back. approximately 1,700 feet, or just over half a kilometer over both sols. The video is sped up by a factor of 200. This image, taken on Sol 406, shows a striking portion of the delta. The rover is expected to ascend to the top of the delta via one of two channels. As Perseverance nears the delta, excitement grew. The delta could spell disaster for Perseverance. The rover makes a ellipse. The moon's on Sol 406 shows a striking portion of the delta. The rover is expected to ascend to the top of the delta via one of a kilometer over both sols. The video is sped up by a factor of 200. This image, taken on Sol 406, shows a striking portion of the delta. The rover is expected to ascend to the top of the delta via one of two channels. On Sol 409, the rover photographs a familiar target, a rock formation known as Kodiak, that we previously saw from afar in the first year of exploration. This closer examination provides a good look at the